TV. It ain't very loud. It ain't very loud to level crossing. It ain't.
It's a bit quiet from last time.
Quiet. They turned it down a bit. Now they've turned it.
They turned it
It's the 16th April from you.
That's good then, isn't it?
Those are football players. They're Arsenal players.
Up the Gunners.
Those are Arsenal players.
Which way's
How much you're helping?
This. I can see lights, so it's coming this way.
Where are you standing?
I love South West Trains.
I'll stand behind you, Reese. Where do you stand next to Kyle?
It was ITV2.
What time's next?
Wasn't
then?
I?
10:14. So we stay on the boys.
It's got wire back.
Oh yeah.
They fixed it. Oh, I know why, because somebody jumped over a barrier. Maybe they saw him put the barrier wire in. Like this is Poole level crossing.
ITV1. I've got my internet back again.
That's what we're doing.
Let's reset again.
Come on, please don't be a too long way. Don't make 10:19
Would
too.
it be easier if I hold on to Kyle's iPad
Would you make it 10?
next? Would it be easier if I'm holding on to Kyle's iPad next? Because I'm sitting next to Kyle, Mum's sitting behind both of you, yeah?
Reese, would you make a 10:19 wave?
Yeah.
Make it wave for me. It's like getting
I'll
waves.
do whatever you use.
Oh, we'll make it wave for me.
Just make everyone wave.
Every train will wave. It is still building, man. It is still. Come on. Must have went down a bit early. It must.
Maybe change it. I got the Anthony.
Come on, train. Don't tell me it's broken down.
Probably taking a while.
Yeah! It won't toot because it's not allowed to. We'll complain to South West Trains if it did toot in the high street. We'll make a complaint to them.
Shall I wait behind you?
It's not allowed to. See?
He's waving.
It's not allowed. Oh my God. I think we stay down.
No, I might go up still.
Yeah, we stayed till 10:14.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Maybe 10:14's early.
It says thunderstorms at 2 o'clock on my phone.
Just
Just in case it goes up. So I should miss it.
It won't. It won't go up. We would have done it by now.
What side is it coming from this time?
This side is. Why don't they do Quentin's next? Well, where should I put that?
Just put it there. What are you doing touching it?
Quentin's next.
Don't touch them to look at.
Actually.
Right up.
He won't. So I get away from way.
Yeah. Well, don't put your iPads over the barrier.
8-year-old.
It will have. This time it's not going up and straight back down again. There's a chance of it staying down for 3 trains.
What time is the next one?
10:14. Is it early? Come on, train. I'll give it. I'm standing on my side. And I am. He went. He went. This is Poole level crossing. Nothing coming from London way again. We'll try to do phone. Shall we do footbridge? Because it won't be long till 10:19. Yeah. then phone to you again at 10:37. We did do a game side. Game side 10:40. No, it usually goes up that. So the game side 10:37. Yes. Usually goes up about 10:40. 5 minutes. Actually, stay down. Actually. Causing chaos now. Wasn't staying down. Don't have enough storage space. Stay down.
Oh no, the light's just turned green out.
So I missed something coming. There's a freight of very excited. It'll come in a minute. If it stays down, it must be on the line. It must.
Yeah, it's turned green, that light, isn't it? So it's red. Oh,
Yes, finally. Actually, it won't tick the horn.
Yay, come on, let's stand over here.
I like trains. Did they not make it too?
no,
No way. It's constantly trying. I always make it wave. Don't. Are you going to wave? No!
yeah.
You better not stay down. Oh God, we might be staying down. No! Staying up here.